This is for you.
Holy smokes! Can I see the whole thing? Your hot dog fingers are in the way.
Sorry, honey. That's gonna cost an extra $5.
$5? Okay, give me a sec. Mom, I need $5. I need it quick.
Why do you need $5?
No time for questions. Hurry, Mom. I need the money. Now, before it's too late.
Harry, why do you need $5? Tell me and I'll give it to you.
Mom, please. Fine, I'll tell you. I need it for homework, extracurricular activities.
Harry Ball, are you lying to me? Try asking your stepdad.
Dad, I need $5. It's urgent.
Wait, why do you need $5?
Stop asking questions, or I'll tell Mom you're cheating.
Okay. Wait, Harry, I'll give you the $5. But I'm broke right now, so I'm waiting for one of my clients to pay me $5.
Your clients? You got a job? Wait a sec. Where do you work?
At home.
What's your job?
Distribution.
Dad, are you lying to me? You can't even lift the groceries.
I'll send you $5. Stop asking questions, okay?
Good news. I have the $5. Can you send the whole picture now?
Sorry, my annoying son just asked for $5. I need $10 now.
Dad, is that you? What are you doing?
Son, I need money. Living on these streets alone is no easy task. I'd like to see your fat to try and live out here for even a day. Game is game.
Are these pictures of Mom?
Okay, I was joking from before. Please don't tell her she will kick me out. I'll do anything you want. We can go to that cosplay event you've always wanted to go.
How much was it?